Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to On Angler, one class organized by School of Scholar on Malkapur, not on angle. See, today we are going to study the topic of angle. So, in front of you, something I prepared. The name of that thing is, it's called as ray. It shows the ray, na? Yeah. When two rays join togetherly, it form an angle. Okay, already we are revising it here by the activity. You can also prepare like this. Okay, so you can see that this angle is called as acute angle. The distance less than 90 degree, this is a right angle. The distance less than all type of angle is called as acute angle. Okay, this angle is called as 0 degree. Okay, zero angle. Okay, and it is called as acute angle. The distance less than 90 degree, it is called as acute angle. This is right angle. The distance more than 90 degree, it is called as obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle. Okay, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse. Now it is totally equal plane, so it is called as straight angle. Okay, which is this straight angle. The angle from, see, this is the reflex angle. The distance from here to here, this is the example of reflex angle, this way. Okay, reflex angle from here to here. And the complete angle is, see, this is your complete angle. So means it complete one rotation is taken, na? See, like this is called as complete angle. Okay, this one. Now let me see the pairs of angle. What is called, which angles are called that? There in that we are going to study. See, first is adjacent angle, second is linear pair, third is that vertical opposite angles, and fourth is complementary angle and supplementary angle. These five type of we are going to study. So in very simple words I will explain you first. Adjacent angles means what? The angle, very easy. First is adjacent. See, in the textbook there are so much content, you can read that also, but in simple I will tell you. Adjacent angles means the such angles, they are the neighbor to each other. Adjacent means neighbor or just near, say, neighboring. Okay, so for example, see, this is angle 1. Okay, and this is angle, this is angle AOB, AOB, and in that angle the one angle is there in middle, so it is angle, ray is E. So by two ray point, if third ray is also prepared, and by that third ray, here is two angle is preparing, it's angle this also. So angle AOE and angle EOB, these two angles they form, it is the middle angle of AOB. Okay, these two angles are called the adjacent angle of each other. Means these two angles sum is this. So okay, for example, see, this is one angle. If you draw another one line segment in it, so this and this angle both are adjacent to each other, AOB, BOC, like it is. Okay, so understood adjacent angle. Is it not necessary angle adjacent angles are, they may like this. So angle 1 and angle 2, these two are the adjacent to each other. Okay, angle 1 and angle 2 are the adjacent to each other. Suppose now in this way. Now tell me which are the angle 1 and angle 2. These are adjacent to each other. Understood? You can draw the diagram in any. These two means such a adjacent angle. Adjacent angles are the, see, this ray is adjacent, common side of both. Okay, this angle also and this angle, so common arm is there, is it called as adjacent angle. Okay, next is that so adjacent angle, the common thing is what, their vertex is common and their common arm is there. Okay, if the vertex is different, so it is not called to be adjacent angles. Okay, for example, this is one angle and that angle, this suppose here is, though their arm is common, suppose this is angle AOB and angle BQR. So these are two angles, their arm is common but their vertex is not common. So in the adjacent angle, what is that main thing? The vertex and arm, they both should be same. For example, this is one angle and here is another angle, their vertex is common, AOB and COD. In that, what, their vertex is common but arms are not common. So but this angle is adjacent to us. Angle 1 and angle 2 is adjacent to each other. Angle 2 and angle 3 is adjacent to each other, but angle 1 and angle 3, they are not adjacent to each other. Understood? Why? Because they are, both conditions should be fulfilled. First is what? Their vertex and their arm should be common. Understand? So here you can see in the figure this, already their vertex is also same and the common arm is, so angle 1 and angle 2, they are both other adjacent to each other. Students, first part and second part I explained you. Now third part I am going to explain. When the same arm on the angles is not the opposite side of the common arm. Means what? For example, this is the diagram AOB. Okay, angle AOB and angle AOC. Let me see angle AOB. AOB, AOC. So angle this and angle this, the both having common arm is this. Yes or no? AOB, AOC. Only AO is the common arm. But we don't want like that. It should be middle. Okay. See, consider both having the common vertex and common OA is the common arm. But their arms, that is OB and OC, lies on the same side of the vertex, common arm. So that is they are not adjacent. So see, AO and these two arms, see, common adjacent means what? For example, in that A, this arm is there and this another, both arms are should be opposite side, one side this side and this side. So this is the middle separating to both arms. Okay, so if you take this is a common arm AOB and AOC, so in that these both arms lies in the same side. Okay, therefore this is not the, this, they are not the adjacent angles. Okay, so adjacent angles, the angles, they should have common arm, common vertex, and their arm should be, remaining two arms should be opposite directions. Okay, so these are the three conditions to be understand the adjacent angle. Second is linear pair. Linear pair is very easy. On the linear pair there is a one line. Okay, the angles which, see, two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 is called to be linear pair. So this is 180 angle, straight line means 180 angle, and on that 180 angle, if one angle is added in it, suppose, okay, this is straight angle and angle 1 and angle 2, the both angle sum is 180. So that's why this adjacent angle is called as linear pair. It is too easy. The two angles should be adjacent and their sum should be 180. Angle 1 and angle 2, they are adjacent and their both sum is 180. That's why it is called as linear pair. Okay, so their sum is, so angle AOB, BOC is equals to 180. The statement of linear pair is this: a linear pair is a pair adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite sides. These two. Okay. Third angle is that vertical opposite angles. In that, see, this is angle line 1 AB, this is line AB and line CD. Consider when they intersect each other, what are the angles they form? They are called as intersecting angle. So this angle and this opposite angle, sorry, vertical opposite means what? They opposite to each other. This and this, they are both are opposite to each other, and this they are opposite to each other. For example, X-Men series, you know that X, in the X, okay, so up and down, right and left, they are the equal angles and they are opposite angles to each other. So okay, vertical opposite angles have the common vertex, opposite rays which have the their sum, okay, from their sum, their arm. See, for example, these and these are opposite to each other. Okay, and this ray and this ray, they are opposite to each other and their vertex is common. This also same, rays are opposite and vertex common. So therefore angle AOD and COB, they are equal because they are having same measurements. Okay, vertical opposite angles are equal. Vertical opposite angles are equal. Keep in mind, this is very much important. Okay, and therefore in this way, see, there are three lines intersect to each other. Then we can find down them. See, for example, this is this one line, second line, and this is third line. So this angle is equals to this angle, this angle equals to this angle, and this angle equals to this angle. So here is three line intersecting. So what, how many pairs are forming? Three. If two lines are intersect, two pair is forming. If four angle Four line intersect, so four pair is forming. Keep in mind. Okay, one, one, two, three, four lines are there. So one, two, three, four. So this also here is its opposite is this, its opposite is circle, triangles opposite triangle, square opposite square, because here is L M N O. So four lines intersect, so therefore four pair is forming vertical opposite. Understand the concepts. If two lines intersect, two pair is forming. Three lines intersect, three vertical pairs are forming on that. So this is the common sense of vertical opposite. Next part we'll see the complementary and supplementary angle. All the best. Stay home, stay safe.